Here is the tale of a professor whose passion was pizza. For years, the pizza professor had one goal and one goal only. He wanted pizza. But not just one pizza. He wanted a world full of pizza. He would mix chemicals and concoctions, all in an effort to make, yes, more pizza. But no matter how hard he tried, he always seemed to fail. He just could not create enough pizza. Alas, he had nearly given up until...
What's got you down, pizza professor? More pizza? That's easy. Come with me. Oh, hey guys, I'm Allie. Do you want to know how to get more pizza too? Follow me. This is Domino's. Do you guys like pizza? How about free pizza? Awesome. Well, I'm going to tell you how you can get free pizza and help out your school. Sound good? Fabulous. Follow me, Professor. I'll show you how we can help you get more pizza. Look at all those pizzas. Don't you just want to scarf them down? I have a way for everyone to get delicious pizza for free. You're probably thinking, what's that all about? Well, it's the Slice the Price card. That's right, the Slice the Price card. With this card, every time you purchase a large pizza at Domino's, you're going to get another large pizza for free. However, you can use it over and over and over again until it expires. And it even works for parties. Say you have your friends over and you buy 10 large pizzas. You'll get 10 more large pizzas for free. All right, guys, this is how it works.
You're going to go home today with your Domino's packet in your bag. This thing is golden. When you get home, you need to find an adult to help you out. Together, you're going to share your packet with family members, friends, neighbors, their coworkers, anyone who loves pizza.
To know how we're going to help the teachers? That's easy. Tell them how it's done, big boys.
Teachers, if you have 5 students in your class who sell just 1 card each, you'll get your very own card for free. So be sure to remind your students every day to get out there and spread the tasty word about the Slice the Price card so you can get a free card too.
I'm back. Let's talk safety. Earlier today, I went around your school hanging up these posters. Check them out while you're walking through the halls. They have some very important safety tips on them, like 1, never go door to door. 2, always fundraise with an adult. 3, never go into a stranger's home. Remember these tips, they are super important and they will keep you safe. All right, guys, let's wrap this up with the best part of the fundraiser, the prizes! Woo! Yeah! Tell them how it's done, big boys.
Thanks, Al. Here's the deal. When you get your packet, inside will be the Pizza Professor prize brochure. Even if you sell just 1 card, you'll get a prize. But you're gonna want to sell more, lots more, because these prizes are amazing. Every single one of you has the opportunity to win a karaoke machine, a Pioneer DJ deck, a MetaQuest 3, a PlayStation 5! We have a prize that everyone likes. Cash money! Get $150, $300, even $600 cash! Woo!
Teachers, you rule. Thank you so much for all your help. We couldn't do any of this without you. And remember, if 5 students participate, you're going to get your very own card for free.
All right, everyone. From Allie, the Pizza Professor, and me, Big Voice. Thanks for getting involved, Domino's style. This has been a production of WPZA, your Pizza Party Network. Pizza out!